welcome back to my channel. My name is Mackenzie. If you are new here, subscribe down below to find out when I'm posting my next video. Today we are doing a bubble braid tutorial. It is a super popular braid that is happening right now. So today I'm going to take you a step-by-step of how I got the bubble braid. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do, let's just go over the things that you will need to create the bubble braid. You will need, I just recommend like a little comb or a brush, either will work. The little small poly bands, I have the clear ones because I have blonde hair, but if you have darker hair you can use the darker color poly bands. And then I also just have the Trophy Wife spray from R Plus Co. This is just for that this will focus. I don't think it's going to. But I'll just spray this at the end to kind of place everything together. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to take my comb. I'm just going to kind of separate my hair into two parts. Definitely part it how you want to, but I do recommend trying to do more of a middle part. It will just keep it more even when you're doing the braid itself. So I have two pieces. I always just take that other piece that I'm not going to work with and just go ahead and put it in a little ponytail, just so it is completely out of the way. So now I have a little pigtail. I'll take one rubber band and place it like this on my finger, and the first thing you're going to do is just basically half up, half down is like what you want to think of it. You just take a little piece of hair and then you will tie it off. So, like so. Okay, so this is what the first piece looks like. Then you're going to put that forward, so it's going to be like in front of your face. You'll take another poly rubber band, do the same thing right below it. And I like to tie it pretty tight because the tighter you have it, the more it's going to stay, and then the more you can actually like loosen it at the end. So we have one, and now we have two. And now it's going to be the part where we're going to start creating your actual braid. Okay, so here we go. So the way to do it is the piece in front and then the piece below. So you always want to take the piece on top, you will separate it into two, and then you're going to take the piece right below it and flip it through the pieces of two. Okay, so now this piece that was below it is now between these two pieces that you've created. Hopefully I'm explaining this okay. Okay, so now you have two pieces, and now you're going to have this through it, and then you're going to just grab more hair and tie all of that together. Take another poly band. So the two pieces that you created, then you have gathered more hair together, and you have now tied that piece off. Okay, and so now this is your bottom piece, and now this is your top piece. So again, you're going to separate this into two. You'll take the bottom ponytail, put it through the pieces of two, and then take your pieces of two and gather more hair and then tie it off. Okay, and you're just going to keep doing that all the way down. Ponytails. There's no more hair on this side, so this is where you will start to do like so. Whatever piece is on top, you're just going to separate it into two, wrap it between the other piece, and then just tie it off. And you want to like not tie this piece into this piece that you're tying off, so be careful about that. Okay, and then now this is going to be your top piece, and you're going to pull apart take this one through those two pieces and tie it off. So now we're fully braided down, and so this is where the part where it's actually going to make your braid, and that is to loosen every single little piece by your rubber band. So every single rubber band you put in, you're going to go right up to that rubber band and pull apart. So you'll just work your way down the braid, and every single time you feel that little poly band, you will then take those two pieces and pull it apart. Okay, and there we have the first bubble braid complete. Now I'll do the other side. Okay, and now I have done the other side. The key to the bubble braid really is just loosening your braid, fixing it to your liking, and then last but not least, I will spray it with the R Plus Co Trophy Wife Texture Spray. Just kind of give the hold to the braid, especially after like pulling it out, and I usually just play with this for a little while to get it to my liking. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!